Came back to the Chrome stop to get my lug nut covers. Watermelon lights up top. Clamps for stacks. They got everything you need in here. Boxes. All different kind of lug nut covers. They got the kits too. The set. Headlights. Shifter boots. Arrived an hour early at my pickup. They don't start loading until 8 o'clock. I'm getting one of those tanks. Military, we is back, baby. So yeah, we going. About to get out all my chains, pull out my bindings, so when they do pull me in there, I'm ready to go. We gonna get it done. Ready to crack. I'm about to pull out 2 chains, 4 binders. It's only like 20,000 pounds. And deliver it straight through, man. Going from Port Arthur to Texarkana. It's probably like a 4-hour ride. I'm about to grab 4 binders, 2 chains. Got my lug nuts back on there. About to pick up one of these tanks. Waiting on them to come get the forklift. See if they have any tie-down points for these things. I never hauled one of these. They got 2 tie-down points at the back. And they got 2 of them in the front. So I'm good to go. 2 chains, 4 binders. And we in the wind, my friend. Whee! Getting ready to load me up. This tank like 20,000 pounds. Gonna be a real easy load. It took about an hour to come here. I've been here since 7. It's 9:13 now. So they about to go ahead and load me up. I got my chains, my binders already out. And I'm in the wind, my friend. We all chained up and ready to go. That's the quickest I ever chained it to load down. 2 chains, 4 binders. It's the quickest load I ever chained down. Four points of contact on this. In the wind, my friend. to the delivery. Go ahead and get checked in. Alright, go and check in. What's up, YouTube? So I made it here at 8 o'clock. Now they telling me I gotta wait 2 hours because somebody chopped their leg off. I don't know what happened. That's some random stuff, but now I'm here just waiting for them to pick up one tank to get off my trailer. But in the meantime, we can talk about these upgrades I want to do to my truck. I want to get stacks, bumper, visor, lights. I want to do a lot of stuff to the truck, but everything come with time. So as time go on, I'm gonna keep getting more and more stuff done to it. Coming soon, maybe next week or the week after, I'm gonna call the shop and see if they have any available appointments, and I'm gonna get something done to it. I'm gonna drop a video on that. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff I want to do to it. It's a mid-route classic. A lot of people don't have this truck. A lot of people like the truck. It looks like the 379 Peterbilt that everybody likes, but yeah, I'm gonna get it looking good real soon. So now we gotta just wait, see how long they take to come take this off. My lug nut stood on this time. Oops, I spoke too soon. God damn it. I'm gonna have to get some glue. Cause see, the ones that was on here before had glue on them. I spoke too soon. I got one more in the truck. I'm not sure if I want to put it on or just wait till I get some glue for him. Oh man. So glad I didn't get a truck wash. I tried to go get a truck wash yesterday and it was it started raining, so said I'll just wait. But it looks like I gotta wait 2 hours for them to come take this one tank off with a forklift. I should go hop in it myself. It's all good though. Whee! Well, I'm bored, so I put it back on. Well, I put another one on. I'm gonna definitely go get me some glue to make sure they don't come off. That's $3 a piece. I done wasted, what, $9 so far on lug nut covers? $12. Look like he waiting too. He waiting to offload. I was gonna unchain, but they told me just wait because they're not sure if they're gonna take it out with a forklift or a crane, which don't make any sense to me, but I guess I'll sit around and wait. It's supposed to be a meeting for everybody, but I still see people riding around on forklifts and stuff. Finally getting offloaded. Two forklifts looking at this. On this side. Oh, you want me to pull up?